Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Biochemistry Concepts. Carbon monoxide, when it binds with hemoglobin, it shifts the oxygen dissociation curve to the left. Carbon monoxide binds tightly but reversibly to the hemoglobin iron, forming carboxyhemoglobin. When carbon monoxide binds to one or more of the four heme sites, hemoglobin shifts to relaxed conformation, causing the remaining heme sites to bind oxygen with high affinity. This shifts the oxygen dissociation curve to the left and changes the normal sigmoidal shape to hyperbola. As a result, the affected hemoglobin is unable to release oxygen to the tissues.